remember when everything stopped. Villages disappeared, hearths went silent, and nature took back what we left behind. More than half of the villages in the heart of Istria were forgotten. The people were gone, and with them, the song, the joy, the sense of belonging. But then, something changed. Not with grand gestures, but with small, quiet steps. Nearly 200 villages were brought back to life. Small boutique hotels, taverns, wine roads, extra virgin olive oil trails, truffle estate, agritourism. From 70,000 overnight stays in 1995 to almost 3 million today, the heart of Istria